Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of SUVs. According to Consumer Reports, these 6 SUVs are almost perfect. These SUVs have gone through rigorous testing, crash tests, reliability ratings, and owner satisfaction surveys. They've proven themselves in every category, earning top marks across the board. So without further ado, let's see what makes these SUVs so great, and why Consumer Reports thinks they're nearly perfect. First up, we have the Toyota Highlander, a stalwart in the mid-size SUV segment. And when you think Toyota, you think reliability, right? Well, the Highlander doesn't disappoint. Consumer Reports consistently gives it top marks for reliability, meaning you're less likely to experience unexpected issues and costly repairs down the line. But the Highlander's appeal goes beyond just being dependable. It's also incredibly family-friendly. You get 3 rows of spacious seating, a comfortable ride, and a suite of standard safety features that give you peace of mind on the road. We're talking about things like automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, all standard, even on the base model. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but is it exciting to drive? Well, exciting might not be the right word, but it is smooth, composed, and gets the job done. The Highlander prioritizes comfort and practicality, which is precisely what many SUV buyers are looking for. And let's not forget about resale value. Toyotas are known for holding their value incredibly well, and the Highlander is no exception. Overall, the Toyota Highlander is a solid, dependable, and practical choice for families who prioritize reliability, safety, and comfort. Next, we have the Subaru Outback, a vehicle that's become synonymous with adventure and all-wheel drive prowess. And for good reason. The Outback is not your average SUV. It's got that go-anywhere attitude with standard all-wheel drive and impressive ground clearance, making it perfect for tackling dirt roads, snowy conditions, or just navigating that gnarly parking lot at the ski resort. But don't let its ruggedness fool you. The Outback is also incredibly safe and refined. It consistently earns top safety ratings from the IUHS and NHTSA, and it comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight suite of driver assist technologies. Inside, the Outback offers a comfortable and practical cabin with ample cargo space for all your gear, and speaking of practicality, the Outback is known for its excellent fuel economy, especially considering its all-wheel drive capabilities. One of the things Consumer Reports loves about the Outback is its visibility. You get a commanding view of the road thanks to its tall seating position and large windows. In a nutshell, the Subaru Outback is the perfect blend of capability, safety, and practicality. Let's move on to the Mazda CX-5, an SUV that proves you don't have to sacrifice style and driving enjoyment for practicality. Mazda has really stepped up its game in recent years, and the CX-5 is a prime example of the brand's commitment to quality, design, and driving dynamics. From the outside, the CX-5 boasts a sleek and sophisticated design that sets it apart from the more boxy and utilitarian SUVs in its class. It's got a sporty stance, sharp lines, and an upscale presence that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury car showroom. But the CX-5's beauty isn't just skin deep. Hop behind the wheel, and you'll discover a surprisingly engaging driving experience. The steering is precise and responsive, the handling is nimble and athletic, and the available turbocharged engine provides plenty of pep for passing and merging. The CX-5 offers a well-appointed and comfortable interior with high-quality materials and a driver-focused layout. Despite its sporty demeanor, the CX-5 still delivers a smooth and refined ride, making it a great option for daily commuting and long road trips alike. Consumer Reports praises the CX-5 for its blend of style, performance, and value. Chapter 4, Honda CR-V, the spacious and efficient champion. Now let's talk about the Honda CR-V, a perennial bestseller and a favorite among families for its practicality, reliability, and fuel efficiency. The CR-V has been a top contender in the compact SUV segment for years, and for good reason. It just keeps getting better with each redesign. One of the things that sets the CR-V apart is its spacious and versatile interior. It offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, and the rear seats can be folded down to create a cavernous cargo area. Whether you're hauling groceries, luggage, or sporting equipment, the CR-V has you covered. But the CR-V isn't just about practicality, it's also surprisingly fuel efficient, especially considering its size and capability. The standard engine, paired with a CVT transmission, delivers impressive gas mileage, making it easy on the wallet at the pump. The CR-V consistently ranks high in reliability surveys, meaning you can count on it to start every morning and get you where you need to go without any fuss. Consumer Reports appreciates the CR-V's well-rounded nature. Chapter 5. Kia Telluride, the value-packed surprise. Up next we have a relative newcomer that's been making waves in the SUV world, the Kia Telluride. The Telluride took the market by storm when it debuted, offering a compelling blend of style, features, and value that's hard to beat. One of the first things you'll notice about the Telluride is its bold and sophisticated design. It has a commanding presence on the road with its boxy proportions, upright grille, and distinctive LED lighting. It looks and feels more expensive than it actually is, which is a testament to Kia's impressive design language in recent years. But the Telluride's appeal goes beyond just looks. It also boasts a spacious and well-appointed interior with comfortable seating for up to 8 passengers, depending on the configuration. Despite its large size, the Telluride is surprisingly maneuverable and easy to drive. The Telluride comes loaded with standard features including a long list of advanced safety technologies, a user-friendly infotainment system, and comfortable amenities for both drivers and passengers. Consumer Reports has been consistently impressed with the Telluride, praising its combination of style, space, features, and value. Chapter 6. Ford Edge, the powerful and tech-savvy contender. And last but not least, we have the Ford Edge, a stylish and well-rounded SUV that offers a compelling blend of performance, technology, and comfort. The Edge has been a mainstay in Ford's SUV lineup for years, and it continues to impress with its refined driving dynamics, spacious interior, and abundance of tech features. One of the things that sets the Edge apart is its powerful engine options. You can choose from a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine or a more potent V6, both of which deliver ample power for highway merging and passing. And for those who need extra traction, all-wheel drive is available. Inside, the Edge offers a comfortable and well-appointed cabin with supportive seats and a user-friendly infotainment system. The Sync 4 system is one of the better infotainment systems on the market, with a responsive touchscreen, intuitive menus, and available features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The Edge comes standard with a suite of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. You can also opt for additional features like adaptive cruise control and a surround view camera system. Consumer Reports appreciates the Edge's blend of performance, comfort, and technology. So there you have it, folks. 6 almost perfect SUVs according to Consumer Reports. From the reliable Toyota Highlander to the adventurous Subaru Outback and the stylish Mazda CX-5, there's an SUV on this list for everyone. We've got the spacious Honda CR-V, the value-packed Kia Telluride, and the tech-savvy Ford Edge. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and comparisons.